What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome to Sunday morning markups. We are live, family. We are live. We're about to check these charts out. First of all, we definitely want to send a shout out to our sponsors over there at Pimpin' Ain't Easy and Sway Markets. All right, we are the official affiliates of Sway Markets. Make sure y'all go check out the video about how you can capitalize on running the play with Sway. All right, we're gonna get right into it. Appreciate everyone on the call. Today, we're going to look at a few things, man. The market was pretty slow last week, in my opinion, if you wasn't swinging, if you wasn't already in it, you know? So definitely want to give y'all a heads up on everything real quick, pay some bills. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, all right? So you can get updates on interviews from the podcast, little shorts we got, educational videos, Pimpin' Ain't Easy, of course, morning markups. So yeah, make sure you go to pimpinainteasy.com. As you know, we are the official affiliates of Sway Markets. Make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game, family. We have a free profit channel. Feel free to join that. It is absolutely free, family. And make sure you check out this video. It's some great value in this. I really do believe it can give you an opportunity to get a couple dollars in your pocket. You feel me? If you want to run the play with Sway. All right. Make sure you hit the link below, subscribe, and also lock in with Sway Markets. Bet. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Gotta pay them bills, family. Gotta pay them bills. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're gonna get right into it. Let's see what we're looking at today. All right. Looking at today and trade view. Woo, we see you all in 3 days. Look a little different. Nope, just like I left you. All right, all right, all right. All right, let's see. Okay. It's your boy, Mr. P. Shout out to the G.P.S community. If you do not know, we do have a private community, and we also have a community for good value, good game, good education, good tips on how you can maximize your potential in this space. Okay. Okay, let me get that to okay, so ACAT, of course, you know, we were looking for buys. This is our gray zone. All right, this gray zone, I believe, is a reversal zone. This is the weekly time frame. I do like this zone, but it could potentially shoot up. So we have to be careful, you know. That's body to body. The market does intend to do what it wants to do. But I'm looking for a reversal, man. We might get a wild spike down. A double bottom would be amazing. But that I wouldn't want to miss that drop. But I definitely want to see a reversal push back up. This is a nice trend right here.
What's good? Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Millie Mills is in the building. Shout out Millie. So we do want to see this weekly continue to get bullish. We want to see it come up here. I definitely want to see.
Did you get in at that yellow? I mean, at your red line? The buy?
No, I got it. I got in. I was holding those pullbacks. I had small entries, so you know, I took like to be honest, I took like a 30 pip drawdown. It hit stop loss twice, but I took like a 30 pip drawdown, and then I bust another entry. And then, but I wish I would have caught it down here. But I caught it like around this green area, and then I got an entry up here, and I just let it go. And then I ended up smacking one TP, and now I'm still holding one position. But it's up though. It's up like 60, 70 pips. Yeah, I was a little sad about it because we just got. I feel like we just went too early because we hit 2 stop losses on ACAD, 20 pips, so that's 40 pips. But then AU bust for like 70, and then EG sold for 30, 40, and then it sold again the next day. We're gonna look at that right now. So we're looking for buys on ACAD family. Make sure you guys we're looking for something off this. If it respects this zone, we're looking for price to at least come back up here. And that's if it comes back down a little pullback, maybe 50 to 100 pip play. I do believe that's a nice look right there. Let me go ahead and set an alert real quick. Yeah. All right, so when price hits that, it's going to alert us, and we're going to see if we can get ourselves in a position to execute. But I do like how this daily price came down. I want to see it do it again. I want to see it do it again, actually. But this did close above here. It's a little rejection, but it didn't break this yet. I just want to see it pull back a little bit before it comes back up here. So maybe something like this. Something like this would be nice. That would be nice. But it might just pull back and push the leg down a little bit more. Let's put it at 9. Okay, there. So that's a potential play. Let's look for that. Let's go ahead, copy that, send that to the chat. ACAD. Yes, sir. All right, bet. Need to minimize that. Bet. So that's ACAD. Let's look at CJ. CJ really upsetted me. I don't know if upsetted is a word, but it definitely upset me. Because this was our sell zone, man. And then it sold like crazy. So we was off a little bit. Let's go to a bigger time frame. Okay, price did spike out these previous wicks. So that's what we was looking for, some rejection right there. This weekly, this happened in like, I want to tell you 30 hours. This whole wick, this whole drawdown happened in like 30 hours, maybe like a day and some change. It just tanked. It just fell. So I was a little upset about that because we was looking for sales and we didn't get the confirmation we wanted. But I think this, let me see, it's a new month. Oh yeah, this thing bullish for sure. But we might get the next month might be a bearish engulfing. The next month. But I like this zone right here for sure. I like this zone right here. I would if I can catch a sale down here, that would be nice. If we can catch a sale down here, that would be nice. If anywhere in this little blue box, we can catch a sale down there, that would be nice. Because I would love to see price come at least hit this monthly imbalance area. But price definitely closed above this. We could see a continuation, or we could see market manipulation where this month it just tumbles and then we get that drop we was looking for. So just keep an eye on CJ. I definitely want to see a reversal, but you know, we might get this head and shoulder look right here. Like bye. You know, that'd be nice. If we get that play, you know, that looks like, you know, how the market does sometimes. This is some head and shoulders on smaller time frame. So definitely might get something like that. But keep an eye on that. I want to see price come all the way down to one-on-one flat. I do. I really do. Not sure when, but I definitely want to see that happen. But it did break this high, closed above. So we just gonna keep an eye on it. I'm definitely looking for sales for sure. Some people will look for buys, but depending on your analysis. But I definitely want to see this long-term sale. Maybe early 2024, just drop maybe to like March, April. That can potentially happen. But this the bigger picture on CJ. Big on CJ. Okay. All right, moving on. Let's see. NJ, all these J's are the Japanese yen is not holding no weight right now. So almost everything JPY is bullish. NZD is bullish. Like, let me see. Let's go look at UJ. How about UJ? Oh, there you go. Yeah, everything's bullish. Like UJ, I would love to see it make a double top and come down though. But all these J's, I'm just waiting to see EJ. Like, I would love to see EJ come up here, but it's been consolidating crazy. Like, this is weeks, 2 months, wait, about 2 months worth of consolidation range. You know what I mean? So you got to pay attention to consolidation, but it can potentially just explode because there's nothing really here. This is what we're looking at. This is the zone we're looking at on the monthly. So we're looking to sell off that zone for a potential swing back down to at least here because price broke here and it kind of retested the zone, but it didn't like dig into it. How we know price. But oh, thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Sound like you in the streets, but okay. But yeah. So moving on, we're gonna definitely stay away from these J's right now. I'm not messing with nothing JPY until I get a confirmation on some type of reversal. Even GJ, look, we still want to see kind of the same look on GJ as well. So, in my opinion, I just don't want to mess with anything in with JPY right now until I get some type of confirmation, you know, some type of reversal confirmation, or it's in my zone. Right now, it's in the middle of the street. I really don't know what's going on. This monthly did close kind of bearish. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if we all these indicators work. All right, so definitely closed bearish this monthly, and it was showing a lot of rejection on a smaller time frame. This is a potential sell zone back down here, but you gotta wait on a confirmation. So I'm just staying away from the GJs, the NJs, the CJs until we get a confirmation like this. Now, do you see this right here? This GN on a monthly? Like, this is definitely some bearish momentum here. Definitely some bearish momentum. Dang, we could still be in this sale. This is crazy. All right, so what we did, we marked up this zone. We was looking for a triple top. We kind of got it. We definitely caught the sale though. But this monthly, the way it closed, we want to see something bounce off this zone here. Let me borrow you for a second, player. You know what? I don't know what you was there for. Let me put you down. This guy right here. You can catch this zone right here. Nice. Might just keep tanking, but it come up here off this zone. You're definitely looking for sales. Let's see if I got some alerts left with my package. All right, so what we gonna do when we do that? we're gonna bust this thing down and be looking in our zone and seeing what we can find that looks like a potential reversal. All right. We can get some. Oh, this look like it won't. I definitely might get that push up. This is a nice zone right here. All right, that's the weekly. Let's see this daily. This thing just tanked. Jeez. Wow, that's beautiful. Every day it closed bearish, except for this one. Let's see, 4 hour, 4 hour. So you have to break this down and see if you can find some zones. All right. But our entry was here. It was beautiful. Wonderful move. Definitely looking for a retest for the sale. We're not gonna dig deep into that. But on GN, we're waiting on retest for the sale. Let's take it back to the monthly. That's what we're waiting on. Retest for the sale. Retest for the sale. Okay, bet. All right. Boom, 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 boom. On GN. All right, let's see. All right, so EG, it was so beautiful how it sold down and respected that zone we have marked up. But the way this monthly closed, I definitely want to see a push up to this monthly consolidation. Right? I would love to see one more push up, one more grab, and then tank. Something like that. I would love to see that. Create a lower high right here. This can go boom. Get something to close like right here. And then get a drop. But on the weekly, as you see, we trapping. So we price trapping, we boom, break off the weekly retest, sell down, boom. Now you boxing this box. This is some good respect we was getting off the zone. We sold it one day, should have sold it both days. We only sold it one day last week. We sold it here and we caught this sell down, boom. And then it came back, made this bullish engulfing, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna leave that alone. But it literally bounced off this for 3 days, 4 days actually. For 3 days after that first day touched it, 1, 2, 3, and then it looks like we want to come down. But it may just continue, but it didn't close above this previous, zone right here. So that's top of the box. Nothing closed outside the box. So you're definitely respecting that zone. But the bigger picture is still, breaking retest out of this box. That's what we are really waiting on. We're waiting on a break and a retest outside this box. That's what we're waiting on EG. Same play. As soon as it break, either way, we getting in that thing on the retest. EG. Waiting for break and retest on EG. Win. Win, 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 win. Okay, bet. EJ, we already told you about that. EN was phenomenal. This sale was so beautiful. We took profit, man, but this is the beauty of a swing. This was our swing zone. Price came and respected that. It's been selling for a long time. Let's check out this monthly. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful reversal on this monthly. Another reversal zone. This is our new sell zone right here. Boom. That's our new sell zone. We want to see this get bearish. The way this candle just engulfed this one is just, it's aggressive. You know, it's respecting this. It's closed lower. Definitely looking at a lower high created on the monthly. So definitely want to see this. I would love to see it at least come back down to this white line. But this is a nice zone. It has to break. But as you can see, this is a monthly time frame. So on a smaller time frame, this would potentially look like a break and retest off this last candle. Let's check that out. All right, let me see. All right, so price definitely got a trend going on here. And it definitely broke the trend. So this area right here is nice though. I don't know if price coming back up to this zone here. But we're gonna put our alert. But you know what? I don't know why they're still. Let me leave that alone. What I was looking at day. Let's see if we got it. Yeah. Seems up. But I definitely want to see this continue to fall. This is nice. It's a nice bearish momentum. It's in a nice zone here. If I can get a break off of this, that would be nice. Like if this continue, it might just come retest this, but if this continue to fall, right, then it come back, hit there, and continue. That would be nice. Or it might do the same thing, but here. You know? Same thing. Uh-oh. What's going on? You know? Something like that. Because this is a nice trend. It was trending, you know? We would love to see price come touch that trend and then continue to the downside. But if it breaks here, this is a nice level. So, you know, definitely looking for some sales, especially off of this bigger time frame. Prices already give you a confirmation for a reversal on a big time frame. And this would be amazing. I'm not sure what it's going to take for price to come down here on EN, but it's coming. I don't know when, but it's definitely coming. It's a whole bunch of something down here. Price has to touch that. So this can be the potential reversal to get you there. Because it's a monthly bearish engulfing. That's pretty, and it engulfed and engulfing. So, you know, that's pretty cool. Let me see what this MACD do. We're gonna keep our eyes on EN long term. It's lining up a little bit. Let's see what the week looks like. Okay. Let's see if we're getting any divergence. No, it's just smoking. Let's see one day. Maybe a little bit on the daily. So we found a little bit of divergence here on the daily. So we're just checking out our confirmations. But this would be a nice potential swing long term. I think this is a major reversal area. So keep your eye on EN for the reversal. Big swing. Big swing. Big swing. Big swing. I want to see price break this though, because that looks crazy. We waiting on some type of confirmation though. Like this, we need to see this break though. I would definitely recommend waiting on this break, but that looks like it definitely wants to sell down a bit. Definitely. All right, cool. GA reversed on us. It never really hit our zone like we wanted to see it, but it definitely reversed on us. It's at a nice level. We got a monthly bearish engulfing here. It's definitely bouncing off another one. So we want to definitely just keep an eye on this, man. Set a nice zone. This engulfing could potentially get engulfed off of this zone here. So I would love to see it come down. Gee, I want to see it come down some more, but you know, it's definitely some room to get a little bit more bullish. So depending on, you know, the impact in the economy and over here in the Great British, maybe some news or something to push it one of these ways. But this is a nice zone. We want to see price get here, but it's creating higher lows. So maybe it will come sell, but it has to come grab this. It has to come up here and touch this, and it has to come down here and touch this. So, but the monthly did close bearish. You know, I still want to see this sell here, to be honest. I still want to see this sell here. If it bounces off this, respects this area somewhere around here, and I want to see it come back up there, then we can catch the sell back down here. So that's in weeks, though. We just got to keep an eye on it. That's not really somewhere we can capitalize this week. The GCAD went crazy. I was definitely expecting a sell, but not like this. This thing went bananas. Definitely respected our zone. Smacked our areas, hit our TPs. We marked this up. If you've been following us, you definitely can go look at some previous videos, but this was a nice play. I'm mad I'm out of it, but you know, we did smack some targets. Probably can get in on the retest for the sale for some continuation since the monthly closed so bearish. So this is our this was our entry. This was our first entry here. Boom, smack first TP over 150 pips, almost 200. Boom, second sell zone, same thing. Then we got this third sell zone, boom, and it just went crazy. If you held this whole trade, you got at least about 900 to 1,000 pips. But you know, I definitely would have took profit here. These was extra zones I was looking for price to respect. And as you see, it got totally disrespected. So price can definitely come retest some of these zones and we can get a potential continuation to the bearish side. That would be nice. That would be nice. So yeah, so just be on the lookout for some type of retest for the continuation on GCAD. Be on the lookout for some bearish momentum. This monthly is nice. Come up off there, that'd be real nice. Bounce off this zone. Wow. Wow. That would be nice. That's what we're looking for, family. Get rid of this. All right. I think that's pretty much it. GM, we did that. The dollar looks super bullish right now. So not sure what the dollar gonna do. Not sure what's going on with that. But it has been bullish for the past couple months. Definitely want to keep an eye on this. Dollar might get weak in the months to come. It may push up. You know, we do got holidays and stuff coming up. But I still want to see price come down here. So definitely looking for some type of long-term bearish momentum. But this is the monthly time frame, and price was consolidating heavy right here. It did close above this previous zone. So, you know, I would just keep an eye on it, but I definitely want to see some type of pullback right here. Definitely. You got a daily bearish confirmation off this zone. So yeah, this week it may be a bearish week for the dollar. It may come retest this area here. It may come do that, and then boom, maybe continue up to the upside. You know. Thank you. All right, so gold on the monthly looks crazy. It looks like why we haven't been selling this all month. This is beautiful. I can't even cap. Like, we had sales up here. Remember them sales we had up here, Jay Millie?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. This is a beautiful drop. We got something like well, you know what? This is the cleaner version. Let me take you to the other version.
So
That
I was in that cell at like 1960, but you see how on the monthly it consolidated like so much that I
yeah,
didn't hold it.
yeah, this right here is crazy. You gotta take your money. You'd be crazy not
Yeah.
to.
Yeah. So I took my money and then it continued to drop at the end of this month. Like, because we just closed, right?
Yeah. But it might come back up here.
So I can see that if the dollar goes bearish, like
Mhm,
you just said, we should
mhm.
get push up for the re-entry to sell.
I agree.
But we would definitely need the dollar to go bearish. Hopefully this shutdown might be able, if it happens, that might push it to
They shutting us down?
the government. They might. That's the rumor.
Wait, say that one more time, sis.
That's the rumor that we might have another government shutdown.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. I gotta go read up on the news. I don't watch too much TV. I need to see what's going on. Can you send me that tabloid to the chat?
Uh,
Or
if I can find it. I don't
okay,
know where
bet.
I saw it, but yeah,
I'll do it.
we're on the verge of another government shutdown.
Let's see what's going on. Let's check that out real quick. It's interesting.
So I don't really know how the government shutdown will push the dollar.
NBC News, they be feeding us.
So you see, 12 hours ago, they passed the bill to keep the government open.
Oh, yeah. So what, they just print more money?
I'm not sure.
2 hours ago. Interesting. See what NBC News.
So they avert shutdown, waiting on last minute votes. Congress
Okay.
passed a bill to keep government open to avert a shutdown. So we're on the verge of it, but they might not do it. It sounds like.
Yeah, it sounds like they're trying to find a solution, but then next thing you know, the world goes to crap. Let's see. There we go. Let's use this one. Live update CNN. Okay, bet. Let's throw this in the chat. Sit around it. Everyone does sometimes. All right, bet. All right, we got the news out because I didn't know that, so I definitely want to share that. I don't know how many other people felt like me when you said that. So yeah, so you saying if they shut down, the dollar should definitely buy up?
I don't know. I don't know the effects of the government shutdown on the dollar. I need to research it.
I know gold. If something happened like that, I know gold should go up for sure. I
So
don't think
gold, if gold goes up, that means the dollar should go down.
exactly.
So
Yeah. Okay, man. Let's look at 30 really quick, and
if
then we're gonna
the dollar goes down, that means Nas and 30 should go up. I mean, I'm looking for a re-entry for the sales. Like,
it's in a nice zone off this monthly though. You can definitely probably take it back up to this box.
well, I'm in Nas buys now.
Oh yeah. That's a nice little zone right here. We got it marked up. I haven't traded 30 in a minute. Oh my God, that's beautiful. That's a sniper entry. Jeez Louise, is this an alert? This should have been. What the what? Let's just set that now. That might come double tap. It might just come double tap. Wow. Oh, it's right here. Oh, I'll just put that there. I was about to say.
Yeah, you put
Oh,
it on the wrong one, on the wrong line. You got it on the line up top that's behind that box.
yeah, but we're looking for the sale though. This is the play. We got this alert hit.
Yeah.
That's what you was talking about, right? Come up here, buy, sell back down.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that'll be nice. That'll be
Because
nice.
overall I'm bearish because you're so your 3 points, I think we gotta take out that liquidity and head to your yellow box. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, it might get tricky and come back up here.
Yeah, I think so. Like, I don't know. So it depends on how bearish the dollar gets, right? If the dollar gets strong bearish, we can see that push up to sell down.
Uh-huh.
I don't know which one's gonna set up the cleaner setup, NAS or US 30, but I would like to see a nice push up to one of those OBs to push down.
I agree. I agree.
Yeah, hell, I hate to miss the buy on US 30.
Yeah.
The market opens because like last week it tanked.
It was
Like
beautiful.
the tank I've been waiting for finally happened. So
Yeah, I know. And it came down
just
to
gotta be
the area
patient.
we're talking about. It blew
Just
through the
gotta
area
be patient.
we're talking about. Remember?
Yeah, it went through there because I think I called what 34.2.
Yeah. You called it. You called it
Yeah,
for sure. It
I
just
just
was it was playing a little bit and then it just dropped.
yeah, because I think I called 34.2,
All right, I'm gonna go
like
ahead
36 something.
look at these other. I'm gonna look at some USDs because that I'm gonna get some USDs.
So GU should kind of do the same thing indices are doing, right?
Oh, she on the speaker.
So you're looking for the push up to continue to sell.
Um, I don't know. This right here looks a little weird to me. I could look.
And then you're gonna continue to buy up there. For me to confirm a buy, we need higher highs. Like we don't have higher highs yet.
We don't, but we get another shoulder like this though. Like,
Yeah. Like I can see us running the Plato buy for like 50, 60 pips. But the long buy, I'm not 100% sure about that.
woo!
Well, that wick looks something vicious.
Oh my God, this is 6 months. In the next this is buying for the next 6 months. Look at this. Oh my God, it's bouncing off a 6 month bearish, a bullish engulfing. I think this will buy for the next 6 months. I honestly believe that. Now,
Okay.
that's just a quick analysis. Hold on, don't quote me. But this now we don't have the extended version. Don't be mad at my account because I got this little. I don't got a lot of data, but
Let me
this
check it out. I might have it because you only have to two. You have to 2008. Let me see what I got.
yeah. I think Josh got one. I think all the way to like 2000 or 1900s. This is nice though.
I have to like 2002.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let
Uh,
me go. Let's see what it looks like on the 3 month. It is rich. We can get it at least back up to the zone though. Well, I ain't gonna lie, I think we can definitely do that.
So I guess when it hit that low off of that wick, like that's the lowest it's ever been since 2002. Like 2002, it was at 1.41355. So it's been on a down trend since then.
Mm-hmm. Well, we got the daily bullish engulfing.
We did
Mm-hmm.
just the daily.
Mm-hmm.
I still don't like that wick down though.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna look at it right now.
But I mean, again, if the dollar goes bearish, this is a buy. So I mean, we are going to be looking for the dollar bullish retracement. I mean, bearish retracement. But remember, if the dollar overall is bullish, this is going back down. But we are in an area of retracement to catch an entry for a buy.
Facts. We can do a USD call this week for sure. Because we going live every day this week in the chat, market closing. We're gonna definitely catch our back. But family, thank you guys for tuning in. Everyone on YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, sign up with the best broker in the game. Make sure you go to pimpin'tain'teasy.com. We are the official affiliates of Sway Markets. Join the free community, get some free game, and make sure you check out this video. Shout out to everyone that's out there in the market. Play safe, be blessed. Peace.